Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update about how my hair regrowth is going. As most of you know, I use all Oway hair care products, and the main product that has been making my hair grow back fast is the Densifying remedy spray, which is this guy right here. So this spray really helps your hair grow back. I have been using this for about 3.5 months now, so I can give a in-depth review about it. So I do have before and after pictures right here. So the first picture is when I was using DevaCurl and when I noticed my hair was balding. So the before picture is when I was using DevaCurl. You can see that I'm balding above my temple along my hairline, and now it's growing back. It's not the same as it used to be, but it is growing back. It has only been, like I said, about 3.5 months. So in about a year from now, I will be doing another year update video. I definitely recommend getting the Densifying remedy spray. At least get that, you guys. Like, if you can't get anything else, at least get that, because you can use it twice a day, morning and night, and just massage it in on your scalp. Just spray it where you need to and massage it in, and everything takes time, you guys. Hair takes time to grow back, especially if you had severe DevaCurl damage like I did and like a lot of other women did, you guys. Please don't be hard on yourself. Let your body do what it needs to do, heal it, and be patient. As most of you guys also know, I do have a coupon code for the website. It is Holistic Hair Tribe. I will link everything in the description box below. You guys will get $5 off and free shipping for orders that's $50 or more. So thank you guys so much for watching this update video. I will continue to update you folks on my hair care journey. Bye!